That should have been a double header.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme southeastern Hamilton County in eastern New York, southern Warren County in east central New York, northwestern Saratoga County in east central New York until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Day Center, or 16 miles southwest of Lake George Village, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Pleasure and Hadley by 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Lake Pleasure and Campground by 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Glens Falls by 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Lake George Village by 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at klb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US nationalweatherservice.albany.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Hamilton, Saratoga, and Warren.
Right, that's it.